Here's a quick video for a tip for anybody who's shooting bathrooms. Sometimes it's very annoying when, can you see it? Can you see? I'm reflected on this piece of glass. We can move glass out of the way, but in this case, I can't. So what do you do if you're in a bathroom and you're shooting the bathroom and you don't want to be reflected? Yeah, you can do Photoshop, yeah, you can do editing afterwards, but what's the quickest way of doing it? Well, first of all, don't do it with a flash. So just now, I've got my flash on top of the camera, there. And if I use a flash, it'll flash up there and it will really be obvious reflecting over there. So if I take a photo just now, not only could you see it in there, you could also see it in there. So the first tip is to do it without a flash. Just put your settings so that it's a bright enough image without having to use any flash. And then the second super secret tip, now because, let's just put the flash down. If I take it here, you can still see me just there, reflected in there, which can be a little bit distracting. So, how do we get rid of that? If I take a photo of me here just now, you can see me with my hat on. The simple trick there is the reason why you can see me is because there's light behind me in the hall. So if we turn the room that you're in, if you make that one dark, then suddenly, apart from the fact you can see my screen, if I turn my screen around, I am now completely invisible. You cannot see me on the glass over there. So sometimes, although you're always told to turn on all the lights, sometimes turning some lights off help you disappear. No Photoshop required.